Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Ford Escape SEL all-wheel drive, stock number B9436B. 62,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ingot Silver Metallic in color. This Escape seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailer hitch. Power liftgate. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SEL has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers, power seats, oversized panoramic moonroof, smart, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen My4Touch infotainment system for dual zone climate control, radio. It's also satellite radio capable.
Search for sync on your device.
Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to the Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate, automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Heated front seats, storage in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with the owner's materials and mirror, moonroof and sunshade control, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Escape has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 240 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, new brakes, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Escape, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.